Hi, what's up guys? In today's video we're going to be talking about how to delete a TikTok profile, okay? In today's video I'll be teaching you guys on how to delete a TikTok account. So before we jump into the video, if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, turn on the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. And if at the end of this video if it was really helpful, consider liking this video and comment saying that yes, it was really helpful. So without further ado, let's jump into our TikTok app, okay? Open your TikTok. Okay, you go to your profile. Now we're going to see these three lines up here. You tap on it. Now click on settings and privacy. Now you're going to see your account. Tap on account. Then right here you're going to see where it says account information, password, switch to business account, download the data, delete or deactivate your account. So we click on deactivate or delete account. Now you're going to see here it says deactivate account or delete accounts permanently. Okay, now deactivating accounts means you're going to deactivate it for some time, then later you can activate it again. Okay, that's if you don't want to delete it permanently. But now deleting your account permanently means you're going to delete it forever. Okay, you won't be able to have access to it. Okay, now but there's one thing about TikTok accounts. Okay, like if you delete your account permanently, you can still be able to reactivate the account within 30 days. Okay, but after 30 days if you don't recover the account back, the account is permanently gone. Okay, so this is just basically how to delete your account. So the next step is to click on delete accounts permanently. Then now you're going to see why are you leaving TikTok. Okay, you're going to just select one of the reasons, then just click on any reason and click on, they're going to ask you for the reason, but for this let's just click on skip. So now it brought us to here where it says download your TikTok data. Okay, so for those of you that would like to download the data before you delete your account, okay, just click on request download and it's going to be sent to you via email. I think so, yeah. So that is just that for that. And after doing that, for those of you that don't want to download the data, you just go ahead by clicking this check button right here. Now you can see you just tell us to continue. Okay, so by clicking on continue, your account will be permanently deleted, understand? But like I said, you can recover it before 30 days, and after the 30 days the account is gone permanently. So this is just basically how to delete your TikTok account. Okay, so if this video was really helpful to you, consider liking this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Thank you and see you on the next one.